If you haven't registered, please do so first. After opening the app, select the operation type in the top left corner. Choose spray pattern or seeding pattern for liquid spraying or solid spreading respectively. Here, we'll use the most common, spray, as an example to explain the features of the app interface. Connect the remote controller. On the left side, there are 3 icons representing 1 button takeoff, 1 button landing, 1 button return to home shortcut. Please note that when using the 1 button takeoff and landing function, be sure to choose an open and flat area to avoid taking off and landing in places with obstacles. Call up field, which can upload to the cloud, edit, or delete field information. Once the field information is uploaded to the cloud, you can conveniently view the stored field information here and turn on or off the FPV camera functions. The top data bar displays battery level, number of satellites, speed, altitude, and operation settings. Under altitude, you can set the open terrain following radar function, which is recommended to be set to medium sensitivity. In the operation settings, acreage usage, AB line spacing, water pump, and turning method can be adjusted as needed. Clicking on Account, you can view the current user's information, including company, crop protection team details, as well as operational data and log download functions. On the right side, there are 4 icons for position display, obstacle avoidance radar switch, waypoint mode setting, clear field information, and the job accounting button, which opens current and cumulative operation data. The bottom data bar displays metrics of interest to the pilot, which can be customized as needed. Finally, the top right corner has a Settings button for system-level settings, which should be used with caution. This includes common settings, battery and controller protection settings, calibration, equipment management, system updates, etc., and should be checked for accuracy before first use. Usually set correctly by the factory, so do not change casually. Below are some reference settings. In common setting, select High for motor idle. Choose Hover for action execution. In AB point settings, keep the default settings, do not check either option. Default setting for position hold speed limit is 5 meters per second, but you can adjust it as needed. It is recommended to stick with the default. In flow meter settings, check protection action to enable no chemical alarm and resumption spraying at the breakpoint function. Keep the default settings for the liquid level meter and weighing sensor. In pump settings, check line feed turn off pump to enable the function of turning off the pump when changing lines. Hybrid setting is only necessary for hybrid drones. No changes needed for the H200. Battery and controller protection settings. Keep the factory default setting for the battery protection settings. Choose Continue for remote control fault protection. The drone will continue operations even if the remote control signal is lost, and will not return home or get lost. Calibration. Remote control calibration should be done according to the tutorial if there is any deviation in controlling the drone. While accelerometer calibration, horizontal correction, dynamic balance detection, and flow meter calibration usually don't need adjustments unless the system prompts for calibration. Device. Equipment management is set at the factory and does not require changes. System setting. In About, you can view the current software and firmware versions, update the version, and see the flight control serial number here. These settings are advanced. Do not change them casually as it may affect the drone's stability. Notably, if there is a significant coordinate deviation, you may try to enable the coordinate system switching option to correct the accuracy of coordinates. Under the guidance of after-sales technical support,